may require a 90-degree line to follow when cutting. So place a combination square against the edge of the wood and slide the body up until it meets your measurement line. For ease and accuracy, have your pencil already on the mark. That way, when the combination square meets it, it will simply stop. Then, draw a line against the edge of the ruler to have your 90-degree angle mark. Step 3. Measuring or checking of 100mm. Now this trick is going to allow you to measure perfectly if you require marking away from the end of the wood.